is Robert Saunders. I manage admissions for a school called Training Concepts. But first I started here at WIOA with SC Works. In 2019, I was laid off from my job. I had a growing family at the time. I wasn't sure what I was going to do next. And I actually came here thinking that I was going to get a CDL because that's what I thought it was for. Actually, my dad came through this program before me, and that's how he got into driving truck. I did not want to do that, but I came in and I talked to a career advisor, and I learned that there's actually a list of different things that you can attend with the WIOA program, and on that list was information technology. And of course, I jumped at the chance because I've always been a computer type of person, and I absolutely wanted to make my way into that field, and that's the hardest thing about it, is just getting your foot in the door. So I qualified for the program, I was approved. I went to Training Concepts to start my 6-month training period, funded by SC Works. I came through the program, I got my certs, card-carrying IT person, and then less than 6 months later, I had a job for an independent IT contracting firm that was pretty short-lived, because soon after that I got a job offer at Training Concepts where I was able to kind of get into this role here, managing admissions and making a difference in the lives of people who were just like me not too long ago. And I couldn't have done it without this program at SC Works.